Hi PetitedivaTv squad, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mommy aka PetitedivaTv, and this channel is all about hair care, skincare and a little bit of randomness. In today's video we are taking a previous treatment up a notch. Yes, we are increasing the potential of this treatment. Anyways, if you want to know more about this potential treatment or this increased potential treatment, please keep on watching. But hold on, if you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is free, it is easy to be part of this squad. You just have to click on the red button that says subscribe and also click on the bell notification icon, which will notify you anytime I upload any video. Any which way, in this treatment is something that stinks, yes, a lot, but helps to strengthen your hair and helps to regrow bald edges. So if you want to know more about that, please keep watching. Had my cousin in this video to show you how to apply the onion juice, castor oil and egg yolk hair mask. This mask is a strengthening mask. It's also a hair stimulating mask because the onion juice, as you all know, is great for regrowing baldness and alopecia. There has been documented research, like scientists research on this thing and saw that yes, onion juice is excellent for helping to treat or manage baldness and alopecia. It is full of sulfur. It helps to strengthen the hair follicles. It helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and to the hair roots. It helps to minimize hair thinning and breakage. It helps to reduce hair shedding, so you see more hair retention. Egg yolk It's full of sulfur. It helps to strengthen the hair. It helps to nourish the hair. It also helps to prevent hair breakage and hair shedding. Castor oil is full of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. It also has antifungal properties that help to prevent and treat scalp infection. It helps thicken the hair. It helps to regrow bald spots. It helps to encourage and stimulate hair growth. Basically, this treatment is a power pack or a power treatment, any which way you want to call it. Any which way, it's something that is easy to make. The onion juice, I didn't even use a blender. I just grated it and squeezed it with the cheesecloth. But it stinks. That's where people have a problem with. I didn't add any essential oils, but please feel free to add essential oils if you don't like the smell of onion juice. And in this, for the application, I applied it first as a pre-poo treatment, because not only am I trying to wash up all the smell before my cousin will. I don't personally. I think it is more effective as a pre-poo, as one of the first treatments you apply during your wash day. But whatever works for you, it's fine. So I applied it, kept it on for 30 minutes, then we rinsed it off, then applied a super fantastic smell shampoo and conditioner to neutralize every nasty funky onion smell. But it's all good. Your hair would thank you for it with regular use of the treatment. However, because it's a protein treatment, please don't use it more than once a week or once every 6 weeks. If you want to incorporate onion juice and castor oil in your every week wash day routine, you feel free to do that. That won't have much of a counteractive effect, unlike using the protein treatment as in with egg every week. You're going to have problem. You need to have protein overload, which will now cause more breakage. So you can always use the onion juice and castor oil treatment every week. And if you don't know how I make or apply that, I would leave a link to my most popular video in the description box so that you can check how I apply it on a longer hair. Any which way, enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did and you are not yet subscribed, please click on the red button that says subscribe. It is free. You don't have to pay anything. YouTube will not bill you for anything. And if you also want to know whenever I upload, please click on the bell notification icon so that you're notified anytime I upload. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, enough to subscribe and enough to like and share this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.